Love it, guys. All right, hey, let's talk about your most accurate forecast right now. 449, and our temperatures as you step outside will feel milder than this time yesterday. In fact, you can see we're running about 2 to 10 degrees milder in several valley cities than just 24 hours ago. Phoenix Sky Harbor only down to 72 degrees. Now we are under those clear skies, and as you maybe get ready to head out the door, know that our sun comes up at 5:47. We'll start to see that light of day around 5:20 or so, and you'll notice those clear conditions. And again, mild temperatures across the valley. We're in the 70s in Phoenix and in Tempe and Scottsdale. It's 73 right now in Glendale, and Deer Valley, you're checking in at 72 degrees. We've got some 60s across the valley again, but not that cool here as we start the day. Now, breezes have kicked up overnight. They're not too strong, but they're between about 5 and 15 miles an hour across the valley. That's enough to keep those temperatures a little elevated. And as we go through the day, get ready to feel stronger winds. Also, we'll see more clouds. You can already see some of those clouds drifting in across northwest Arizona. We're actually tracking several disturbances and a pattern change. We're going to go from just dry, quiet weather and high pressure and control to several disturbances either clipping by just to our north or moving into our state over the course of the next 7 days. And that is going to bring us periods of clouds, also stronger winds and cooler temperatures as we go through the week ahead. Now today we will track a disturbance to our north that will bring gusty winds across the state. We've got very dry conditions too, so we've got a fire threat. Tomorrow, slight chance we get a stray shower in northeast Arizona as another disturbance moves by, but we will stay dry here in the valley. But again, the winds will continue to be an issue, and that trend will continue through the end of the week too. So for today, you need to know that we are under some wind advisories along the Mogollon Rim. A wind advisory, this area is shaded in that tan color, so east of Flagstaff. Also northwest Arizona, where gusts could be as high as 45 miles an hour. And with the strong winds, we expect this time of year. Strong winds, very low relative humidity. We've got a heightened fire threat. So we are under red flag warnings across northeast Arizona, areas just east of the Phoenix Metro, and all of southeast Arizona through today. So use extra caution and be aware of the heightened wildfire threat under these conditions. No rain chances for the valley still. It looks like the next 7 days will be dry, but you'll notice there will be some times where we could get some showers in spots like Flagstaff over the course of the next week. Instead, here in the valley, we're talking breezes, but at least a drop in temperatures. Today, still in the 90s, but we'll be back into the upper 80s tomorrow and Wednesday, and then more breezes as we go into the end of the week. I'll have your hour-by-hour planner in minutes.